Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with WordPress REST API using application passwords, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with the WordPress REST API using application passwords, start by logging into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Users section in the left sidebar. Select your user profile from the list. Scroll down to the application password section within your profile. Enter a name for your new application password. Click on that Add New Application Password button. A new application password will be generated and displayed on the screen. Copy this password and store it securely, as you won't be able to see it again. Now, open your preferred code editor or API client. Begin by setting the API endpoint you want to access, for example, https://yourdomain.com/wp-json/wp/v2/posts . To authenticate, you'll need to send an authorization header with your request. The header should be formatted as authorization, basic base 64_encode, username application_password. Replace username with your WordPress username and application_password with the password you generated earlier. Make sure to use base 64 encoding on the combined string. If you are using an API client like Postman, you can set this up under the Authorization tab. Choose Basic Auth and enter your username and application password. Now, you can make requests to the API using your authenticated session. Try retrieving posts by sending a GET request to the configured API endpoint. You should receive a JSON response containing the posts. If you encounter any errors, double-check your username and application password. With these steps, you're now able to authenticate with the WordPress REST API using application passwords. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.